I have learned by teaching at VET a huge range of experiences to do with my students' skill levels. I've been really amazed and impressed with how far my students can travel in their VET journey. I've got students that were homeless or had really difficult social issues, and we've turned their lives around. They've now found amazing employment opportunities, working around the world in all sorts of incredible capacities. So I've learned a lot from my students and their skills. I pursued a career in VET because I was looking for some flexible workplace that would allow me to still work in industry, still work on films and theatre while working part-time as a teacher. And VET was a fantastic place for that. Over time, my VET hours increased until I'm now a full-time teacher, and I love it. I really love sharing my skills with my students, and they love hearing about all our experiences on film and theatre. And I just love working there.